good morning. I'm Dr. Deuk. It's February 26, 2025. I'm here with one of my lovely Canadian patients. He's built like a mountain. And what brought you to Deuk Spine Institute for your surgery?
What brought me here was finding you on YouTube, really, and spending the time and learning about procedures that you do that are different than what we are offered in Canada, and just seeing all the success that you're having with patients.
And what was your symptom? What brought you here?
Primarily symptoms was
neck pain.
Yeah, neck pain, right side scap. At its worst level, it was shooting down my arm and numbness in my fingers. A good day would just be soreness in my neck.
So you had facet joint pain, and that's
right.
what we treated yesterday. We used our plasma wand. We went in and destroyed the pain nerves to the painful arthritic facet joints. It's a permanent fix when we do it here at Deuk Spine, unlike everywhere else where they do RFAs and it's temporary and you have to keep going back. How do you feel today?
Feel great. Yeah, what a difference.
You still have the same pain in the facets?
No, not at all. I just got a little bit of soreness, obviously procedure-based. I can feel where you went through with the endoscopic tube and just went through muscle tissue.
You got a lot of muscle in the back of your neck. So
yeah, it's going to be tender for a bit.
Yeah.
But yeah, no, it feels really good.
So you're happy?
I'm very happy.
What was your alternative surgery to the Deuk plasma rhizotomy? What were you considering up in Canada?
What I was considering was to go through with a private anterior cervical discectomy fusion, C5, 6, and 6, 7. So glad that I hit the stop button at that moment when I started to realize what it was. Cutting my throat from the front makes me real nervous.
Putting a metal plate?
Yeah, screws and pins and no.
Losing movement of your neck permanently with the fusion.
Yeah.
Who wants that?
He originally wanted to do one level, 5, 6, and then I think the worst herniation, 6, 7, from what we've discussed and as time went on. So if he had it done what we originally planned, we wouldn't even, I would have still had the problem with the facet.
And that's why the right diagnosis from the beginning is so important, because you get the right diagnosis, you can pick the right treatment. But when you get the wrong diagnosis from your doctor, then you get the wrong treatment, people stay in pain. Now, you came all the way from Canada. Why did you travel so far to come to Deuk Spine Institute?
Because of what you do. And it wasn't just that, it was from when had our MRI meeting, you and I just got a good feeling right from that moment, because it was the first time that you and I had a conversation. To offer that without any obligation is unlike anywhere else. You're never going to get a neurosurgeon on the computer for free, generally. And yesterday was really good because I was nervous a little bit coming in, right? Didn't know what to expect, and I haven't been under anesthesia in a long time, so didn't know how I was going to respond to that.
You did great.
Yeah, no, it was good. Came out good too. And ironically enough, my mind had trapped at the moment I went out, and when the moment I came back, I was exactly where I was when I went out.
Interesting.
To a T. It kind of threw me off because I opened up my eyes and I remember laying down on the table and I remember, what's the anesthesiologist?
Dr. Berndes.
He said he was just trying to get the drip going, and that was that.
See, so you went to the twilight zone.
Yeah, right in that moment. And when I woke up on the table, but yet they were wheeling me into the recovery room, and I was like, oh, geez, it's already coming.
You're like, what, they canceled the surgery? No, we did your surgery, but you were asleep. Well, congratulations.
Thank you.
Enjoy life.
Yeah, thank you.
And we'll see you again for you.
Yeah, we'll see you again. Thank you very much.
Yes, sir.
Excellent.
All right, let's get you out of here.